One of the many jobs of silent E. Silent E changes the game. It can make a short vowel sound say its own name, like in hop to hope, not to note, cap to cape, rat to rate, tap, tape, mop to mope, kit to kite, and bit to bite, at to eight, mat to mate, tub, tube, cub, cube, rid, ride, slid, slide, quit, quite, plan, plane, man, main, can, cane, Sam, same, Tim, time, dim, dime, thin, fine, pin, pine, pan, pain, rob, robe, hug, huge, scrap, scrape, rip, ripe, hid, hide. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more early learning videos.